Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This guide outlines how to become an adaptive equipment services provider in New Hampshire, enhancing independence through customized equipment and technology. These vital services are authorized under New Hampshire's Medicaid home and community-based services waivers, including the Choices for Independence Waiver, CFI, Developmental Disabilities Waiver, DD, Acquired Brain Disorder Waiver, ABD, and In-Home Support Waiver for Children, IHS. The New Hampshire Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, administers funding with the Bureau of Elderly and Adult Services, BEAS, overseeing quality and compliance, and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, providing federal oversight. To become a provider, you must apply through the New Hampshire Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal. Submit necessary documentation such as professional certifications, insurance certificates, policy manuals, and undergo a program readiness review. Upon approval, you can bill Medicaid for your services. Waiver Consulting Group offers comprehensive support to help you launch compliant adaptive equipment services across New Hampshire. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started.